The growing popularity of shipping container pools, a new wave of innovation in backyard leisure. In recent years, shipping container pools have emerged as a stylish, affordable, and sustainable option for homeowners looking to bring a touch of luxury to their backyards. These modular pools, often made from recycled shipping containers, offer numerous advantages over traditional in-ground pools, such as lower installation costs, faster construction times, and a sleek, modern aesthetic. One company in particular has taken this trend to the next level by offering fiberglass-lined, fully insulated shipping container pools that are built to last and designed to meet a variety of lifestyle needs. Why shipping container pools? For many homeowners, the dream of having a pool in the backyard comes with a hefty price tag. Traditional in-ground pools can cost tens of thousands of dollars to install, with long lead times and extensive construction work involved. Shipping container pools, however, offer a more affordable alternative without sacrificing quality or aesthetics. These pools are not only budget-friendly but also versatile and eco-conscious, making them a popular choice for a wide range of homeowners. Shipping containers themselves are durable, structurally sound, and available in standard sizes, typically 20 or 40 feet long, making them ideal candidates for pool conversions. Their compact size makes them perfect for smaller properties, while their robust construction ensures they can withstand harsh weather conditions, including extreme temperatures and heavy winds. Furthermore, repurposing shipping containers for pool construction is an environmentally friendly option, as it helps reduce waste by giving these industrial structures a second life. But perhaps the most enticing feature of shipping container pools is their unique, modular design. Homeowners can choose from various customizations and features that meet their specific needs, from solar-powered heating systems to energy-efficient covers, creating a pool that is as functional as it is beautiful. A leading innovator in shipping container pools, Shipping Container Pool. One company leading the charge in transforming shipping containers into high-quality pools is Shipping Container Pool, a Kansas City-based business that specializes in fiberglass-lined, fully insulated shipping container pools. Shipping Container Pool has revolutionized the pool industry by offering fully pre-plumbed, pre-tested pools that are delivered nationwide. Their pools come in both 20-foot and 40-foot options, catering to a range of property sizes and preferences. The company's approach combines cutting-edge pool technology with a commitment to sustainable practices. Each of their pools features a fiberglass lining that is designed to never rust or fail, ensuring a long-lasting investment for homeowners. The fiberglass construction also offers superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable water temperature and reduce energy costs over time. This makes them an ideal solution for anyone looking for a pool that will stand the test of time, both in terms of durability and performance. One of the standout features of Shipping Container Pools products is their plug-and-play design. The pools are shipped pre-plumbed and tested, meaning they are ready for use as soon as they are delivered. With this innovative design, homeowners can fill their pools the same day they arrive, eliminating the need for complicated installation processes or lengthy wait times. This is a huge advantage for people who want to enjoy their new pool as quickly as possible. The company also offers a range of optional additions to enhance the pool experience. For example, solar heating systems can be integrated into the pool to make it completely off-grid, providing an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to extend the swimming season. Additionally, custom covers and heating options are available, allowing homeowners to further personalize their pool to meet their needs. Whether you're looking for a pool that stays warm throughout the year or one that blends seamlessly with your outdoor aesthetic, Shipping Container Pool has the solutions to make it happen. A sustainable, low-maintenance pool solution. One of the primary reasons people are choosing shipping container pools is the low maintenance required. Traditional in-ground pools often come with a range of maintenance challenges, from cleaning the filter to dealing with cracks in the pool lining. Shipping container pools, particularly those made with fiberglass linings, require far less upkeep. The fiberglass shell is resistant to algae growth and can be easily cleaned, reducing the time and money spent on pool maintenance. Furthermore, fiberglass-lined shipping container pools are incredibly durable, withstanding temperature fluctuations and harsh weather conditions. Unlike concrete or vinyl pools, which can crack or degrade over time, fiberglass is known for its long-lasting quality. The fully insulated design of these pools helps to maintain the water temperature more effectively, reducing the need for constant heating and making them more energy efficient in the long run. The pre-plumbed, tested nature of shipping container pools products further simplifies maintenance. Because the pools are shipped ready to use, there is less risk of installation errors or issues with plumbing systems. Homeowners can rest assured that their pools are thoroughly tested before they are delivered, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. The future of pool ownership. As more people look for ways to enjoy their outdoor spaces, shipping container pools are poised to become a mainstream option in the pool industry. They offer an affordable, eco-friendly, and low-maintenance alternative to traditional in-ground pools while still providing all the benefits of a private swimming oasis. With the added convenience of a plug-and-play system, shipping container pools make it easier than ever for homeowners to enjoy their backyard retreats without the hassle of lengthy installations or complicated systems. Shipping Container Pool is leading the way in innovation, offering customizable, fully insulated pools that can be shipped anywhere in the United States. Whether you're looking for a small pool to cool off during the summer or a larger, off-grid pool that provides year-round enjoyment, Shipping Container Pool has the expertise and solutions to meet your needs. In a world where sustainability, affordability, and efficiency are increasingly important, shipping container pools are an exciting step forward for the pool industry. With options for solar power, custom covers, and pre-plumbed systems, they provide the perfect balance of luxury and practicality. If you're in the market for a pool that is as unique as your lifestyle, a shipping container pool from Shipping Container Pool could be the perfect solution. Why choose Shipping Container Pool? Shipping Container Pool stands out in the growing market of shipping container pools due to their commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. By combining innovation with reliable, tested products, they ensure that each pool meets the highest standards of performance and durability. Whether you choose a 20-foot or 40-foot option, you can rest assured that your pool will be a beautiful, functional addition to your home for years to come. With nationwide shipping, a range of customizations, and the convenience of plug-and-play installation, Shipping Container Pool is helping to redefine the pool experience. If you're ready to dive into the future of pool ownership, Shipping Container Pool offers the perfect solution to make your dream pool a reality.